Minibase apps are a really cool feature in Schoolwires, and the thing that I love about it is it's a great way for you to store documents or links, but put it in a format that is easy for parents and students to find. The screen that you're looking at right now is one example of a Minibase, and this is done on my instructional technology page. It's this how-to tutorials over here to the left. And so that way when teachers visit this page, they can choose what topic they want. So if it's Skyward, they can click on that and click Submit, and every single help document that I have, click sheet, tutorial video, whatever pertaining to Skyward pops up down here below. Another example, one of our teachers, Miss Kelsey Taylor, she does this with her students, and she gives a couple of extra drop-down boxes so her students can choose what semester they want, which week it is in, and then which class, and they'll hit Submit, and then all of their documents pull up here. Now you'll see that her layout here looks a little bit different than my layout here, and you have complete control over that. When you create your Minibase app, you control how the links are viewed. I'm going to show you a third example. This is one over here. They've done one for books, so if you're a library or whatever and you want to do something like that, and they have it for class schedules. There's just a lot of different ways that you can set up your Minibase. All of these drop-down fields are completely customizable. You can choose what name is on them, you can choose how the drop-downs work, so it's completely up to you. So now that I've shown you what it looks like on this end, I'm going to go into Site Manager and show you what this looks like on my editing page. So this is my how-to tutorials page, and I'm in my Minibase app. And you'll see all of these fields are fields I created. When you first create your Minibase app, the very first thing that you're going to do is determine on your fields. And that's my topic, name, type, link. Those are the fields that I chose. Miss Taylor's, hers was semester, week, class, those different things. So once you have that figured out, you're going to come up here to Options. And your tab over here to the right is Fields. So you're going to type in what you want your field names to be. Now you're always going to need a link field because that's going to give a hyperlink for them to access whatever document or video or web page that you're wanting them to do. Now you'll see over here to the right, I only have a drop-down list assigned to topic. If I wanted a drop-down list assigned to type, I could do that as well. So that way if someone wanted to look for Skyward videos, they could do that, or Skyward PDF click sheets, and they could filter it that way. But for my teachers' purposes, I just did the drop down here. You'll also see you can choose how to sort it, and then on your sort level as well, all based here on your different field names. Now on this general tab, I showed you how my results looked different than the results on Kelsey Taylor's page. And that is because Kelsey used either the table view or the list view. I used custom view. There was a custom way that I wanted it to show up on my page. If you do table or list, you don't have to do anything for it. It will just list out the fields for you and the results. If you do custom view, then you'll have to come up here to this custom view tab, and then you'll put all the information in here. Now this looks like it makes no sense, but if you'll remember, I created my fields over here. Field 1 is topic, 2 is name, 3 is type, 4 is link. So I've put $ field 1. So that way whatever I put in field 1, it's going to put that word here. Whatever I put in field 2, it's going to come here. I typed the word view resource, and all I did on that was I went to do a hyperlink, and my URL is just $ field 3. Schoolwires knows if you do the $ field and then the number, Schoolwires knows to pull it from that particular field in your database. So once you have your Minibase app all set up, you're going to click on Save. And so this is the database to where I'm going to enter my information. Now what I do is I first come up here to Tools if I'm going to upload a document or video or whatever. If it's a video, I already have the hyperlink. Sorry, didn't mean to confuse you and click all over the place. Let's do a video first. I'm going to come over here to my YouTube channel. So this is my channel that I put EdTech tutorials. So let's say this is a video that I want to link. I'm going to come up here and get my link to my video. I'm going to pause it so it doesn't play. I'm going to come back to my site manager. I'm going to add a new record. Now my topic, it needs to be consistent. So like if you've done Skyward as a topic, you need to make sure you use the word Skyward every time. A good example of that is my Schoolwires. My Schoolwires topic is listed website-Schoolwires. So every time I come to enter a new record that pertains to Schoolwires, my topic is going to have to be website-Schoolwires so it doesn't confuse the two. Now this is a Bean. The video I pulled up is Bean, and that's a web tool, and I don't have a topic for web tools. So I'm just going to put Web 2.0. That will be my new topic. I'm going to say Bean tutorial. My type is a YouTube video, and here I'm just going to paste my link of my video. Now if I have more to do, I can do save and new. If that's the last one I have, I can do save and exit. So I've put that in. I'll come down here and show you. You can scroll through all of my records, and there's my little Web 2.0 that I've done. Now I'll show you. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to come back to my page, and how it looks is I'm going to drop down my list now. I'm going to go to Web 2.0 and submit, and there it pulls that word that I put in from field 2, my field 3, and then if I click on view resource, it pulls up the link that I put in there for my Bean YouTube video. So that's how you do it if there is a URL link from somewhere else. If it's a document that you want to upload, then you'll just come to Tools, go to Files and Folders, and you can create subfolders over here. So I'll show you. I have my folders, How to Tutorials. Let's come and find a Skyward. I'm going to choose the Skyward folder. I'm going to come up to Upload. I'm going to browse and go and find my file. Here's one for Skyward, and I'm going to hit Upload. So now this is the one I just did. I can also verify it by my date over here. So now that I've uploaded it, to get the link, I'm going to come over here to Get Link. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back to my Minibase. Do my new record, do my Schoolwires. This is a Minibase exercise book. It was Adobe PDF, and then I'm going to paste my link. That one I've already put in, so I'm not going to hit save and exit. I'm going to hit cancel because that one I already do have in my database. But that's how you add stuff to your Minibase. If you do not have the option to add a Minibase, what you're probably going to have to do is first create a new page, because you're going to see that there's no Minibase app here in your new page. So I will create a flex page and name your flex page whatever you want it to be. Come down into my school documents. I'm going to click back here to get to the baseline of my page. Manage apps and layouts. Come down here and I choose Minibase app, and then I hit save, and then I'll delete my flex editor. If you wanted to use it as a title or instructions, you could do that as well. I'm done. And now you can get in here to start adding your Minibase. If you have any problems, just holler. It looks very confusing until you do it about 3 or 4 times, and then once you do it that many times, all of a sudden it clicks and you're like, oh, well that makes a whole lot of sense now. So that's how you do Minibase. It's really a great way for you to store things, store documents and things like that, to where it's easier for the public to sort and find what they're looking for.